It's quick and easy to spin your motor. Motor Pilot is a tool which can help with this task. We can control the motor, start it and stop it. And also we can change the speed if necessary. We can control motor in speed mode or in torque mode, and we also precisely tune the parameters of regulator to the best function. If you don't know parameters of motor you want to control, you can use Motor Profiler, which is one of graphic user interface of Motor Pilot. This software can help you find parameters of motor. Motor Pilot is part of Motor Control Software Development Kit, and all documentation of this spec you can find on STWiki in section about motor control. Get started with motor control on STM32 today.